Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're designing a line art PS monogram logo, starting with a smooth outline of the letters P and S and positioning it above the text for a balanced layout.
And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay. Dramatically talk to me.